Our money. Warm-up time. 2 notebooks cost me ₹60. Geometry box ₹40 and crayons cost me ₹30. How much money should have I with me? You must have ₹130 with you. Learning time. We have already learnt adding and subtracting money in the previous class. Now, let's revise what we have learnt. Unit of money in India is called the rupee. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. We write RE for rupee, RS for rupees, and P for paise. When the amount has rupees and paise both, we separate them by putting a dot in between them. For example, we write ₹10 and paise 50 as ₹10.50. As a convention, we do not write P. The numeral to the right of the dot is paise and to the left rupees. Paise are always written in 2 digits. For example, ₹3 and 5 paise are written as ₹3.05. It is clear that 0 on the left of the dot shows that there is no rupee. To convert rupees into paise, we remove the symbol RS and the dot. Thus, we get the number of paise. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 2 rupees is equal to 2 into 100 paise equal to 200 paise. 3 rupees is equal to 3 into 100 paise is equal to 300 paise. From the above example, we find that to convert rupees into paise, we multiply by 100 or put 2 zeros after the amount in rupees. Let's convert ₹15.60 into paise. We know that ₹15.60 is equal to 15 rupees 60 paise. 15 into 100 paise plus 60 paise. 1500 paise plus 60 paise is equal to 1560 paise. Similarly, ₹19.75 is equal to 1975 paise. ₹10.05 is equal to 1005 paise. From the above example, we find that to convert rupees and paise into paise, remove the dot from the amount. Conversion of paise into rupees. 970 paise is equal to ₹9.75 is equal to 9 rupees 75 paise. 1020 paise is equal to ₹10.20 is equal to 10 rupees 20 paise. 805 paise is equal to ₹8.05 is equal to 8 rupees 5 paise. 2100 paise is equal to ₹21 is equal to 21 rupees 0 paise. Activity 1. Write the following amounts of money in figures. 8 rupees 25 paise, 10 rupees 5 paise, 4 rupees 60 paise, 18 rupees 25 paise. Convert each into paise. 7 rupees, 15 rupees 25 paise, rupees 90.09, rupees 10.30. Addition of money. First method, by converting the amounts into paise. Step 1. Write the amount in figures. Step 2. Convert the amounts into paise. Step 3. Find the sum in paise. Step 4. Convert the sum into rupees and paise. Study the following examples. Example: add the amounts 34 rupees 45 paise and 42 rupees and 75 paise. Solution: given amounts are rupees 34.45 and rupees 42.75. Hence, the sum of the given amounts is rupees 77.20 paise. Simpler method of addition of money. Step 1. Write the amounts in figure. Step 2. Arrange the amounts in columns such that the points remain in one column. Step 3. Add the amounts as ordinary numbers. Step 4. Put a point in the sum in the points column. The following example will make the idea more clear. Example 2. Add the amounts 48 rupees 97 paise and 7 rupees 9 paise. Solution: given amounts are rupees 48.97 and rupees 7.09. Arranging the given amounts in columns and addition, we get. Hence, the amount of the given amounts is rupees 56.06. Activity 2. Convert the following amounts into paise and add rupees 14.75 and rupees 50.25, rupees 25.50 and rupees 36.20, rupees 8 and rupees 78.27, rupees 60.75 and rupees 12.75. Arrange in columns and add rupees 75.29 and rupees 20.50, rupees 55.50 and rupees 60.75, rupees 15.40 and rupees 33.10, rupees 29.30 and rupees 54.60. Word problems. Raju wants to buy a book costing rupees 154.50. He also wants to buy a set of grammar books costing rupees 230.25. How much money he needs to buy both? Rani went to grocery shop and bought 2 kgs rice flour for rupees 74.50, wheat flour for rupees 34.25 and 1 kg besan for rupees 24.20. How much she has to pay in all? Mohan went to a super bazaar and brought some items. At the counter, the cashier gave the bill given below. But he has forgotten to add them all. Can you help Mohan in counting the money? Cash bill. Travel bag, rupees 450.25. Shoes, rupees 125. T-shirts, rupees 135. Socks, rupees 45.50. Gloves, rupees 30. Books, rupees 45.25. Writing pad, rupees 20. Subtraction of money. Subtraction by converting the given amount into paise. Suppose we want to subtract one amount from the other. Step 1. Convert both the amounts into paise. Step 2. Find the difference in paise. Step 3. Convert the difference in rupees and paise. Study the following example. Example 1. Subtract rupees 19.35 from rupees 57.20. Solution: rupees 37.85. Hence, the difference between rupees 57.20 and rupees 19.35 is rupees 37.85. Simpler method of subtraction. Step 1. Write the given amounts in figures. Step 2. Arrange the amounts in columns such that the points remain in one column. Step 3. Subtract the amounts as ordinary numbers. Step 4. Put a point in the difference in the points column. Example 2. Find the difference between 8 rupees 5 paise and 16 rupees 2 paise. Solution. The given amounts are rupees 8.05 and rupees 16.02. Clearly, rupees 16.02 is greater than rupees 8.05. Hence, the difference between the given amount is rupees 7.97. Thinking skills. When money is written in the decimal system, remove the decimal point to convert rupees into paise. Fun time. Highest currency in India. Activity. Subtract by changing into paise. Rupees 442.78 minus rupees 332.50. Rupees 19.25 minus rupees 7.50. Rupees 376.25 minus rupees 258.75. Rupees 78.50 minus rupees 50.34. Rupees 100 minus rupees 93.75. Rupees 786 minus rupees 365.45. Subtract without conversion. Rupees 56.74 minus rupees 70.57. Rupees 65.60 minus rupees 100. Rupees 348.15 minus rupees 412.25. Rupees 150.70 minus rupees 210.90. Rupees 222.35 minus rupees 615.75. Rupees 33.60 minus rupees 90.80. Word problems. Sunita had rupees 300 with her. She bought a doll for rupees 95 and a skipping rope for rupees 14. How much money was left with her? Shabana bought an ice cream cone for 7 rupees 50 paise and toffees for 5 rupees 30 paise. She gave rupees 100 to the shopkeeper. How much money did she get back? Rishi bought one English book for rupees 70 14 paisa, a Hindi book for rupees 28 55 paisa, and a mathematics book for rupees 74 10 paisa. He had rupees 500 with him. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? Rajiv earns 10,000 per month. He spends 2,000 on house rent, 3,000 on provisions, 1,000 on school fees. How much money was left with him? Sheila's father gave her rupees 3,500. She spent rupees 1,500 on clothes, rupees 500 on new pair of shoes. How much money was left with her? Multiplication of money by a whole number. Step 1. Write the given amount of money in figures. Step 2. Multiply the amount by the given whole number as we multiply numbers. Step 3. In the product, put the point after the second digit from the right. Example, multiply rupees 18.36 by 9. Hence, rupees 18.36 into 9 is equal to rupees 165.24. Word problems. A mango drink pack costs rupees 10.25 paisa. How much 5 such packs will cost? The cost of a clock is rupees 345.60 paisa. Find the cost of 8 such clocks. Mohan deposits rupees 25.50 paisa every month in his account in the bank. How much money will be deposited in 1 year? A bottle of milk costs rupees 5.60 paisa. What will be the cost of 30 such bottles? Hari, Soni and Sonu went to watch a circus. Each ticket costs rupees 12.50 paisa. How much money they paid at the counter for 3 tickets? Cost of 1 soap is rupees 27. What is the cost of 4 soaps? If a set of glass tumblers cost rupees 37.60 paisa, how much does 4 sets of glass tumblers cost? The cost of 1 pair of shirt is rupees 473.40. What is the cost of 2 such pair of shirts? Maths lab activity. Your father and mother went to Super Bazaar and bought some items. They asked you to open up the shopping bags and asked you to find out the cost of each item and the total they paid at the Super Bazaar. You following. Take out the items one by one. Prepare a list by writing down the items purchased. Find out the quantity of each item purchased. Find out the unit value of each item. Calculate the total price. Compare the total you got with the total in the bill. This will help you to read, prepare bills.